Hey everyone, another very quick video that will hopefully make your life easier. Learn from my mistakes. If you're running R35 coil on plugs on a JZ motor, using one of these, billet adapter kits, make sure you put some dielectric grease on the ceramic section of the plugs that you're putting in, because the R35 GDR spark plugs have a skinnier shank. They don't really fit that nicely in here. If you stick some on there, when you put the coil pack on, it'll push the grease down and it'll lubricate inside here, but you don't risk it then, getting in the way of the electrical path to the top of the spark plug. And I'd also run some around this edge here, but if you don't, these ones have come out, but it's taken a bit of a fight. You end up with the stalk still stuck on the bloody spark plug. If that does happen, make sure you pull out this little the little pill and put it aside, and don't forget to put it back in when you're putting the coil packs back in. But these things are notorious for falling down in the middle of nowhere. You'll never find it again. So yeah, grease the plugs before you stick them, before you install them. Make your life easier.